In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Apple Pencil pressure sensitivity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage your Apple Pencil and change its pressure settings. So by default, the Apple Pencil will have pressure sensitivity whenever you are drawing, taking notes, and so on. In order to change this, sadly, you will have to remove this feature or enable it in individual applications. If you go over to the main properties of your Apple Pencil, in this example here, as you can see, the Apple Pencil Pro, the only sensitivity option that they have is going to be to activate squeeze. So squeeze refers to when you press on this part of the Apple Pencil to use different features. However, this will not change the aspect of when you take notes and draw, that the brush strokes might be slightly different. So whenever you press harder, they will be bigger, and whenever you press with a light manner, they will be very thin. In order to change this sort of sensitivity, you have to do it on a per app basis. So in this example here, I have Procreate. Of course, if you are using another application to make drawings, take notes, make illustrations, and so on, you need to open that specific application and go over to the settings. For Procreate specifically, you tap on the settings and you will be able to find it here, App Pressure Sensitivity. By controlling this line, you will be able to change how the Apple Pencil interacts with the pressure sensitivity, and you can essentially turn it off completely. You can also do the same for individual brushes. So this option on the left, when you go over to the settings and you access pressure and smoothing, is going to be global across the app, and this one is for individual brushes. Like I said, to my research, I couldn't find a global way to do it for your Apple Pencil specifically. So essentially, you will have to open individual applications and change it according to your preferences on all of those applications to either turn it off completely or customize a pressure sensitivity curve that you are satisfied with. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Apple Pencil pressure sensitivity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.